Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first YouTube video views. To kick things off, focus on strong fundamentals. Your video title and description are crucial for search engines, so use relevant keywords. A compelling custom thumbnail can increase your click-through rate by over 50%. Most importantly, know your audience. Creating content tailored to their interests is the first step to attracting those initial viewers. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to optimize for discovery. Spend a few minutes researching popular keywords and phrases that your target audience might be searching for. Incorporate these naturally into your title, description, and tags. Don't forget a clear call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe or leave a comment, which can boost engagement by up to 20% and signal to YouTube that your content is valuable. Getting those first views often requires a bit of strategic promotion. Don't just upload and wait. Actively share your video across all your social media platforms, from Instagram to X. Engage with relevant online communities and forums, sharing your content where it adds value, not just spamming. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This can expose your channel to hundreds, even thousands, of new potential viewers. Finally, to keep those views coming, you need to analyze and adapt. Dive into your YouTube analytics to understand who is watching and for how long. Pay close attention to audience retention graphs. If viewers drop off significantly at a certain point, that's a clue for improvement. Use feedback from comments to refine your content strategy, aiming for continuous improvement and a growing, engaged audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.